Hey, hello, welcome back to our channel. In this video we are going to solve few problems related to measurements. Let me go to the first question. The radius of a circular bottle cap is 2 centimeter. Find the area occupied by the flat surface of the cap when it is placed on a table. So let me write down the given data first. So they have given the radius of the circular bottle cap, radius of the cap. So let me consider it as R, which is 2 centimeter. So they have asked me to find out the area occupied by the flat surface of the cap when it is placed on a table. Fine. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to write the formula for area of a circle. So area of a circle is nothing but pi r square units. So they have given the radius. Now you just need to substitute the value of pi, which I can consider it as 22 by 7, or I can write it as 3.14. So here I'm going to write it as 22 by 7 into the radius value is 2 centimeter the whole square. So 22 by 7 into, so since it is square, so I'll be writing it 2 times, 2 into 2. Okay, so I'm just going to multiply all the numerator values. So 22 into 2 into 2 again. So totally I'll be getting 88 divided by 7. So if I divide this, I'll be getting the area as 12.57 centimeter square. So this will be the area of the cap. Okay, let us move on to the second question. A solid object weighing 150 gram has a volume of 1000 cubic centimeter. Calculate the density of the object. So let me write down the given data first. It is a solid object weighing 150 grams. So this is the mass of the solid object, which is nothing but 150 gram, and its volume is 1000 cubic centimeter. So this cubic centimeter, I can write it like this, centimeter cube. Fine. Cubic centimeter, I can write it as centimeter power 3, that is centimeter cube. Now they have asked us to find out the density of the object. So what is the formula of density? Density is nothing but mass per unit volume, that is mass divided by volume. Okay, so what is the mass they have given? 150 grams divided by what is the volume? 1000. So this 0 and this 0 will be getting cancelled, and at last 15 divided by 100 will be there. Now if I divide this, I'll be getting the answer as 0.15. 0.15. And what would be the unit? It is gram by centimeter cube. So always don't forget to mention the units. So for density, in this case they have given gram and centimeter cube, so it is gram per centimeter cube. This will be the unit of density over here, and this is the answer, 0.15. Okay, so we have calculated the density of the object. Now moving on to the third question. The length and breadth of a district are 16.5 kilometer and 12.5 kilometer. Calculate the area of the district. Okay, so they have given the length. Okay, they have given the length, which I am writing it as L, 16.5 kilometer. Okay, this is 16.5, and they have given the breadth, which I am mentioning it as B, 12.5 kilometer. Now I need to find out the area of the district. So area will be equal to length into breadth square units. So is equal to, what is the length? It's a very simple direct one, 16.5 into 12.5. So if you multiply this, you'll be getting the answer as 206.5 6.25 kilometer square. Okay, how do we get this kilometer square here? For length they have given us here kilometer, 16.5 kilometer, and for breadth 12.5 kilometer. Now kilometer into kilometer. Okay, so generally this will be considered as base, and whatever we are mentioning it here, it will be considered as power. Okay, so base will be common. Now kilometer and kilometer is common, base is common, and the power, like we don't have any number over there, so we are considering it as 1. So whenever the base are common, okay, when the bases are common, you need to add the powers. Okay, you need to add the powers. So 1 plus 1 you'll be getting as 2. Okay, so let us take another thing where kilometer square into kilometer square. Okay, just imagine now here the bases are common, so you'll be writing common kilometer, and you'll be having powers 2 2. Okay, so since the bases are common, you need to add the powers. 2 plus 2 4. Okay, so in that way you need to mention the units. So this is the answer, 206.25 kilometer square. Thank you all. Have a great day.